this is Sonal. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my entire eyeshadow collection. But I have so many eyeshadow, so I will show you one by one, brand by brand. These all eyeshadow palette I bought with my own money. These are not sponsored video at all. So we will jump into this video. Let's get started. So first we have this Lakme Absolute. We have all three variants of this, and these are illuminating eyeshadow palette. These are all the shades, as you can see. This is the second beautiful palette. I love this color, and this purple is awesome. And third one is this, all kind of bright shade in this. So these three from Lakme. So these all are the Makeup Revolution palette I own. So let's get started with bigger one. This is the Revolution London Pro HD Amplified 35 palette. So in this 35 shade here, all kind of brown and blue, purple, pink, every kind of shade in this palette we have. My most favorite and most used palette, Revolution Fortune Favor the Brave 30 eyeshadow. This is the beautiful palette. As you can see, in this all kind of shade you can use in every type of makeup. Beautiful shimmers in this, and brown, black, matte shade. This is the Makeup Revolution London, and this, as you can see, this is all. So in this, these are the glitters. You can apply on your matte eyeshadow on top. Another two same palette, different colors. This is all purple. And this is green. Beautiful green shimmer. One more Revolution palette. And this is the Chocolate Elixir palette. Beautiful packaging. As you can see, beautiful shade in there. Deep brown, deep red, brown, deep brown. This is shimmer, this is shimmer. These are the highlighters, as you can see. So these two I have from NYX. This is for travel size palette you can use. So this is the travel size palette you can use if you are traveling somewhere. There is not much color to use. And this is the NYX filter, perfect filter. green shimmer, brown chocolatey, tree brown, grey, blue, electric blue, bright color, pink, so many of color in this. So these all are single I own. So this is single eyeshadow from Pro Artist. This is from Essence eyeshadow, shimmer blue type of shade. This is a single eyeshadow from MUA Makeup Academy, green shimmer. This is from Color Essence. This is a purple shade, shimmer, as you can see. This is from Nykaa, Just Wing It, Crazy in Love shade. As you can see, beautiful palette. Travel size, you can travel with this. This is the Ocean collection. So bright colors, blue, electric blue, orange, yellow, green shimmer. This is beautiful shade. One I have from Sugar. This is the Blend the Rule eyeshadow quad 01 stronger. I've created with this eye look. You can see my one brand makeup tutorial video. I've used all these color in that video. I will link in the description box so you can see. And then this is a beautiful palette from PAC. Beautiful shade in this. Let me open. Yeah, see guys, beautiful shade. These are the three shade, beautifully blend everything. Five matte shade and 4 shimmer shade in this. And then this dope palette, 14 color eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging looks like. Neutral palette. This is brown, deep brown, shimmer, gray shimmer, white, every kind of shade in this. These two from Wet n Wild. So this is a mini palette with 4 shade only. This color. So this is a crease color. You can use this also. You can use this on in the corner and brow bone. And second one, very famous dupe of Anastasia, Renaissance palette. You can see beautiful palette this is. Now we'll come to high end. This is a Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is a bright shade palette, all kind of beautiful shade. See, bright color eyeshadow palette, all kind of beautiful shade, pink, yellow, green, blue, every kind of. This is a black, white, little bit of green, tinge of green. And another one is this 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. This is also from BH Cosmetic. These two from BH Cosmetic, as you can see. This is a beautiful 120 color shade. As you can see, all kind of shade every kind of shade in this palette. You can see purple, blue, orange, deep orange, yellow, and cool tone, brown tone, every kind of. Next I have famous Morphe James Charles collaboration palette. Beautiful colors in this. This is the palette looks like. Matte black, and these are the shade. As you can see, beautiful black, purple, green, red, white, every kind of beautiful palette, and beautiful blending also with this. And last are Huda Beauty. I have two from Huda Beauty. This is the Desert Dust palette. This is the packaging looks like. Beautiful, as you can see. Beautiful crease color, you can use this. Beautiful orange, saffron, brown, all the shimmers, twilight, very beautiful shimmer this is. And angelic, this is also very good. These are the glitters. This is also very beautiful holographic shade. This is also beautiful blue moon. So overall very beautiful palette. And second I have new nude Huda Beauty palette. This is all आप पैकेजिंग से समझ सकते हैं. This is a pink tone. So this is the pink tone palette, full neutral color, very beautiful shade. This is it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.